What's going on, you beautiful people? I am Ryan with the Accidental Overlander, and join me for this fun trip that's going to be a little different. It's going to be a little bit of partying and a little bit of, it is free camping. It's still dispersed, but it might not be as far as I normally go. So let's get this adventure started. All right, we just made it here. There are a lot of people here. We're going to get camp set up and then go see what's going on over there. Finally got everything set up. It is time to head over there and see how good this pig tastes and see everybody that's already here.
She was a dark-haired beauty with big brown eyes. We appreciate you all for another good year.
Good morning. I'm just walking around a little bit. Day after the party that was amazing. The food was great. The music was great. The people were great. Thank you again to Milo for having us all here. It was just a great time. And for Brianna and Piper and I, it's actually kind of just the beginning, because Milo has been kind enough to allow us to stay for another night. He's kind of got some woods behind his property that he's going to let us stay in. So after we get up and kind of say goodbye to everybody and see what's going on for the day, eventually we're going to drive deep into the woods and find another campsite and stay there. I'm just going to walk around a little bit more, and then we'll kind of get this day started. And everybody's kind of getting packed up. Only a couple people left. We have a long, arduous, very dangerous drive about 100 feet behind us. We're gonna move from Milo's backyard to deeper into his backyard, but it'll seem a little more woodsy, and I could probably lie to you and you'd think we were somewhere cool, but I'm not going to. We'll still be in his backyard, but it's gonna look a lot more like a campsite. Just trying to film some drone shots, and then I accidentally turned off the remote to the drone, and when I got it back connected, it was stuck in a tree. So I need to find it, then try to get it down. Well, we did get the drone back. Brianna had a good idea, and we got it out of the tree. It did crack just a little bit, but I think it'll still fly. We'll see, and then and I'll check the warranty too. But we got it out of the tree, which is cool. And then we have moved all of our things from one place. Now it's time to set them up in another.
The right way. You don't the inside.
Yep. This is what I do for a living. All right, so we got everything set up. We're gonna hang out, walk around a little bit, and then meet back here and get a fire going, because that's how we're gonna be cooking our dinner. Milo even hooked us up with all this firewood, even after having the biggest bonfire I've ever seen last night. He had some left over to give to us, so that's awesome. Getting this fire going so we can get some coals, because we're gonna cook some sweet potato on it and some carrots. And I think we're also gonna do some asparagus as well. But I need to get this fire going, let it kind of burn down a little bit so we can start the sweet potatoes that are also going to take probably quite a long time. I'm sure the sun will be down by the time we're eating them, but at least we're getting things started. some garlic asparagus, some balsamic carrots, and some cinnamon butter sweet potatoes, and they are about done. We are finishing dinner, and it is amazing. We have a couple cookies for dessert. I think we're just gonna hang out by the fire and enjoy the night and listen to the coyotes howl, because there's a lot of coyotes out here. But I think we'll be okay, and we will see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is cold and crisp on our last day here. It's pretty chilly, so I don't know if we're gonna do too much. I'm gonna walk around, see if Milo's awake back there, but kind of get things packed up because we have things to do at the house today. But first we're gonna walk around and warm up just a touch. You want to grab the rain fly from the trunk? The master page where you can change the payment and stuff. Like, how can you do? Are you asking me my email? You think it's an answer? All right, we got everything packed up here. Thank you again to Milo for the amazing party and letting me stay another night. He does have a YouTube channel called Flexus the Lexus. He is just getting started doing amazing things because he knows a lot more about cars and camping than I do. So go give him a follow, learn a couple things. Thanks again also to F-Bomb, the camping group that put this all on, the reason why I knew about it. So F-Bomb, that's a group on Facebook. I will leave a link below to that as well if you want to check any of those out. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. And I will see you next time.